This is probably the most crisp lodge that we have on the market. Welcome back to the Waterside Holiday Group. I'm Vinny, and today we're checking out the brand new Prestige Plantation House Lodge at the Stables development. Come and take a look around. A really great feature about this lodge is as you enter, there's an entrance hallway, somewhere to hang up your coats and kick off your shoes, but also you have a built-in washing machine. As we come through into your open plan living, kitchen and dining space, you see there's so much room in here, all freestanding furniture and a real comfy but homely feel. There's masses of light flooding the space with all of the windows and doors leading out onto the decking. Starting off with the kitchen, this is a great space if you want to dine in. Imagine Sunday dinners here as a family, the kids at the breakfast bar having their cereal in the morning. We've got some great appliances, the built-in oven, of course the hob, and over this side, underneath the porcelain sink, we do also have the built-in dishwasher. To this corner, we've got the built-in fridge freezer, everything you'd expect from home, but on holiday. And once you're done cooking, we come to your dining space. A great area to sit down as a family and enjoy meals together. We've got the 2 chairs, the table, and a big bench. And could you want more space in your lounge? There is so much room here. You could even add in another sofa if you wanted. And this is where a 20-foot wide lodge really comes into play. We've got 2 bedrooms here, 1 king size and 1 really spacious twin room with full-size 3-foot beds. Next door is your family bathroom with a full-size bath, overhead shower, toilet and basin. As I was saying, just check out the space in this twin room. The space down the middle of the beds, the size of the beds themselves, plenty of room for everybody. And last but not least is your master bedroom. You have a king-size bed, beautiful dressing area, built-in storage. Check out the views out the window to the wildflower. Completing this bedroom, you have your full ensuite, a big walk-in shower, toilet and basin. And my favourite feature till last, check out this humongous decking. And it wouldn't be a luxury lodge without your very own hot tub. So if a high-end luxury lodge sounds like something you might enjoy, give us a call on 01 305 836 836 or click the link below.